In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from OneDrive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find your pictures and how to save them to your computer in just a few clicks. Start by opening the OneDrive website in your browser. When the home page loads, take a look toward the upper left area of the screen. You'll see a Photos section there. If your images are organized in Photos, go ahead and select it to quickly view your pictures laid out in a gallery. If your photos are stored inside folders instead, use the left navigation bar and choose My Files. This takes you to your complete file library, which is helpful if you keep images alongside documents. Next, click My Files to open your folders. Browse through your directories until you find the folder that contains the photo you want to download. Take a moment to confirm the file name or preview the thumbnail so you're sure you've got the right image. If you have a lot of items, you can use the search bar or sort by name or date to locate it more quickly. Once you've found the photo, click it to open a larger preview. This view lets you double-check the image before saving it. You can glance at the details and make sure it's the exact picture you need. To download the photo from the preview, look at the top of the page for the toolbar and select Download. One click will start the download. Your browser will usually save it to your default downloads folder, but if you're prompted to pick a location, choose a folder you'll remember. Keep the page open until the download begins and avoid refreshing while it's preparing the file. If you prefer not to open the preview, there's another simple method. From the file list, right-click the photo to open the context menu, then choose Download. This does the same thing, and it can be a little faster if you already know you've selected the correct file. If your browser blocks downloads or asks for permission, allow the download when prompted. That's all there is to it. Open OneDrive, head to Photos or My Files, browse to your image, then either use the download button at the top or right-click and choose Download. After it finishes, you can find the file in your computer's downloads location and move it wherever you like. Thanks for watching and enjoy your saved photos.